I want you to change the world, and don't think that this is going to happen peacefully or you can do it alone. We need to kill the rich. You get out there, you use your weapons, and you rip Washington apart. You hunt down the billionaires, the bank bosses, the CEOs, the scumbags and the liars, the governors, the lobbyists, the senators, because they're all the same, and you hang them.
Good morning, everyone. It is May 13th, 2018. I'm Eric. I'm here at fellowshipoftheminds.com. Autistic student in Texas arrested for playing with an imaginary rifle. Oh, but there's no police state. This comes from Fox Houston. Handcuffed and hauled away, it happened Monday to a 5th grader or a 5th grade autistic student at Course Independent School District. So much for the independent. The offense alleged against 12-year-old David Sims is brandishing an imaginary rifle at his art teacher and educator who apparently felt threatened. She, CISD police officer, just put handcuffs on me and told me I need to go with her, said David Sims. They just said, we don't tolerate that. We take it as a threat. A threat? He didn't threaten anyone. He didn't do anything but play, said Amy Sims, David's mother. Amy Sims says she wasn't notified of the classroom incident until after her son was in custody. Like many students challenged with autism, Amy says her son simply didn't understand make-believe gunplay on campus has become inappropriate behavior. Being put in handcuffs, not knowing what he did wrong, I could have had a talk with him and told him, look, I know you like to play guns, but you can't do it in school, said Amy Sims. David spent 2 hours and 11 minutes at the Juvenile Detention Center. Montgomery County Attorney J.D. Lambright says, given his age and disability, it's likely criminal charges can be avoided. You see, the very idea that this kid is going to be charged with fucking criminal charges because he imagined to have a fucking rifle is utterly police state-ish. In Texas. This is going on in Texas, supposedly the most patriotic community in the country, but I disagree. I disagree. Is patriotism really sucking the ass of the government? I don't think so. This attorney continues to say, we want to get them turned around and on the right path. So, you know, being a normal little boy playing with imaginary guns is apparently somehow the wrong path. And then this is one of the ways that men and boys are being discriminated against across the board, across all colors. Lambert says the imaginary rifle fire from David Simmons was reportedly preceded by a verbal threat and had happened in class before. He called the incident at Bozeman just the latest in a slew of troubling outbursts from students in schools across his jurisdiction. Right after the Florida incident, we were getting 2 a day, 3 a day, and it wasn't isolated to any particular school. We have 6 districts in Montgomery County, and they were coming in across the county. Conroe ISD would not comment on the specifics of David's arrest, but did say in a statement to Fox 26, situations involving students with special needs are responded to with consideration for each unique need. Bullshit. For her part, Amy Sims believes her son is certainly getting special treatment, the discriminatory kind. Because he's disabled, they automatically think he's got something mental, so he might go shoot up a school. The Sims family tells Fox 26, Conroe ISD has informed them David must attend an alternative disciplinary school for the remainder of the spring semester. There's your freedom. There's your children in school being persecuted. And it's just going to get worse and worse and worse until we stop using these indoctrination centers we call schools. Thought I would share this with you. If you have a child in public school, you may want to consider homeschooling. I homeschool my child, my daughter, and it's very, very, very rewarding for everyone in the household. And she learns at a much quicker rate than she would in a classroom filled with people who are either illiterate or can't speak the English language. Till next time, kill the state and live free.